Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mari's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome encapsulated glitter look using Christmassy glitters. So first and foremost, I wanted to start by kind of unboxing these VENALISA crystal gels. This is a new polygel that they came out with, and I ordered this a little while ago and I just wanted to unbox them with you. The first color is a nude, and it's actually so pretty. It's such a beautiful nude. And the second color is just a very nice clear. And I just really like the packaging of these products. So here they are. As you can see, they look really nice. So moving on to our nails, we're gonna start by picking out the right sizes of all of the tips that we're gonna use. And after that, I'm gonna be putting them on with a little bit of top coat. Now I don't want this design to last on my nails, so I just wanted to show you how you can apply the tips on very easily without any glue. Afterwards, I tried cutting off the shape that I wanted, and I wanted kind of a more stiletto or almond. As you can see, I had a hard time cutting them off, and I ended up using bigger scissors. And after that, I just went ahead and filed the desired shape. And then I was just buffing the surface of the fake nails so that the design, the polygel rather, would stick onto the nails for longer. And here they are. Afterwards, we're going to be applying a base coat onto the entire nail. A pro tip here is that if you don't want the nails to last and you're just doing them for modeling like I am, you can just use a top coat instead of a base coat. After you cure that, it is time for the polygel. So I'm going to be using the slip solution by the same company, pouring it into the little lid, and I'm going to be going in with the nude color first as a base. And as you can see, I am covering up to the free edge of the nail a little more than that because I have very short, small nails. Just make sure that it's clear and well put together on all sides. This will make filing a lot easier afterwards. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process on all of the nails. As you can see, I've just rounded them, and this is going to make the application of the glitter a lot easier and the free edge a lot smoother and more crisp. This polygel was really easy to work with, and I actually liked it more than the other polygel that VENALISA has that I tried in a previous video. It was not sticky at all, and it was very easy to manage at the same time, which usually the ones that are easier to work with, they are more sticky. So as you can see, now I'm going in for the thumb, exactly the same technique. Super easy, super quick, it's really nothing difficult. And this is so beginner friendly, you can definitely do it if you've never worked with polygel before. You just need a very thin layer of this colored gel. So after you cure all of them, I'm just going to wipe off the tacky layer, and I'm gonna go ahead and start filing so I can crispen up the free edge of the nail. Afterwards, we're going to start with the encapsulation. So I'm going to start off by applying a very thin layer of the clear polygel, and I put a lot of emphasis on the thin, because if you make it bulky, the glitter is going to stand out too much and it's going to be very thick and it's not going to look nice afterwards. After you apply that very thin layer of polygel, you're going to go ahead and pick your favorite glitters, and you're just going to wet your brush and just start applying the glitter straight onto the polygel and pushing it in so it stays onto the nail. And then you're just going to cure it, and by completing the encapsulation with more polygel on top, you make sure that the design stays in place and that it lasts. This is very important to do because when you later file the nail down, you're not going to destroy any of the glitter design. As you can see, I'm just repeating the same process for all of the nails. I'm choosing a different glitter design for each nail. Here I'm putting these really cute white snowflakes with this beautiful gold and white glitters. And once again, I'm going to be encapsulating this design with more clear polygel all over the entire nail. Moving on to the third nail, repeating the same process once again. This method is really easy and fun for encapsulating anything you want, really. From flowers to glitter to anything, really. You can just encapsulate them so easily because the polygel is tacky and it just helps you to just stick the glitter or anything else you want onto it so that when you apply the second layer on top, it just encapsulates it perfectly and nothing moves out of place. Also, because you're working in layers like that, it will help you create a much thinner nail, and at the same time it will help you work the polygel a lot easier. So if you're a beginner, it's almost like a 3-bead kind of method, so this works really well. It's just so much fun creating such designs that are so easy to make and don't take a lot of hard work and still look amazing. So as you can see here, I'm just repeating the ring finger design on this nail. Encapsulating that as well with clear polygel. And I actually have to say I'm pretty impressed with this polygel. It's pretty clear. It's not like the Macart one, which is literally the clearest polygel I've ever seen, but it's a really close dupe for that. Oh my gosh, they look so cute! And as you can see, they're not even filed yet and they look so cute. I just love them. I love glitter so much. And now for the thumb, we're just repeating the same process, adding a thin layer of polygel on the base of the nail, and then adding glitters. I just love those little Christmas trees, they're so festive. And right after you cure this, you once again encapsulate it with some clear polygel, and that's all. Take your time while you're doing this, you don't need to rush. Make sure that it's perfect, that it's going to be as easy for you to file it afterwards as possible. And here all of them are, they're so cute! As you can see, they have pretty good shape, pretty good apex. So after that, I'm just going to be dumping the remaining liquid, and I'm just going to be wiping the tacky layer off, and we're gonna move straight into filing. I'm using a hand file for this. Polygel is very easy to file, so I usually don't go for my hand drill. You can use an e-file if you want, but it's really not necessary, especially if you're a beginner and you can't afford one. Like, I don't have a professional one yet either. I'm pretty content with using a nail file. That's how I always worked, so it's just a lot easier for me to do it that way. After you buff them, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the top coat. And look at them shine, they're so cute! This is my favorite part of every nail video I've ever watched. I just love watching people put clear top coat after encapsulating glitter. It's so beautiful to see the reveal. So after you cure that, here's how they look. How cute are those? And if you have short nails like me, doing the design with the nude polygel in the beginning is going to help you like fake the appearance of longer nail beds, which is pretty cool. here you can see I'm just applying a layer of top coat underneath the nails as well, because you want to make sure that they're as clear as possible. And here they are. But let me just tell you, this would absolutely not be my video if I did not use some rhinestones. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So a very easy method to apply the rhinestones and have them stay onto the nail for as long as possible is to start off with a layer of clear polygel, and on top of it go straight away with a non-wipe top coat without curing it. Go ahead and add your rhinestones, make any design you want. As you can see here, I'm just doing the smile end of the nail. And afterwards I'm just gonna cure it, and it's going to look perfect. So there you guys have it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. I love them. I hope you love this nail design as much as I did. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought of it. And I will see you guys next week. And also I moved my upload schedule to Tuesdays at the exact same time, so I hope to see you here next Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone.